Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. If you're looking to find your reviews on Airbnb, in this video I will show you exactly how you can do that in just a few clicks. Try and do this from a computer because the Airbnb phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, just go over to the top right section. You will see your profile image there. Click on that and then choose account option. And on your account page, you need to click on this go to profile option, and that will open up your profile. Now this is where you will see your overall star rating you have received so far and the count of reviews. And if you want to see the reviews that have been left on your profile, you will see a snippet of reviews, but you can always click on this show more reviews option here, and that will open up all the reviews you have on your profile. It has two tabs. The first one is from the guests, because I'm a host, so I have reviews from the guests as well. But if you've just been traveling on Airbnb, on the second tab, you will see from hosts. This is where you will see all the reviews that have been left by the previous hosts you have stayed with. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.